we'll guide you through how to get Mailchimp help. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Mailchimp website on your desktop. Once you're logged in, look at the bottom right corner of the dashboard. You'll see a question mark icon labeled Help. Click on that, and a help menu will pop up. You can start by typing your issue into the search bar for instant articles and guides that might solve your problem. If the resources there don't quite hit the mark, you can click on Contact Support. Depending on your Mailchimp plan, you may have different support options. If you're on a free plan, you'll mainly have access to the knowledge base and community forums. However, if you're on a paid plan, you'll have access to email and chat support. For email support, fill out the form with your issue details, and Mailchimp will get back to you via email. If chat support is available for your plan, you can start a live chat session by clicking on the chat option, which is super handy for getting real-time help. For any billing or account-specific questions, make sure you're logged in to access personalized support. Remember, the help menu is your gateway to all these resources, so make sure to utilize it fully. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.